Understanding Charitable Bequests, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very special topic that combines generosity and planning for the future. Charitable bequests. This concept might sound complex, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how it can impact both individuals and charities positively. Let's dive into the world of giving and learn together. A charitable bequest is a donation specified within a will or trust that goes to a charitable organization upon the donor's death. It's a way for individuals to support causes they care about, even after they are no longer here. Charitable bequests can include money, property, or other assets, and they offer a unique opportunity to make a lasting impact on the community or cause you're passionate about. Charitable bequests come in several forms, allowing individuals to choose the type that best fits their wishes and financial situation. Specific bequest donates a particular dollar amount or specified asset, like shares or real estate. Residual bequest gives what's left of an estate after all other bequests, debts, and taxes have been fulfilled. Contingent bequest occurs only if certain conditions are met, such as if other heirs are no longer living. Understanding these types can help you plan your bequest in a way that aligns with your charitable goals and estate planning. Making a charitable bequest is not only an act of generosity but also offers benefits to the donor. Tax advantages. In many jurisdictions, charitable bequests can reduce the estate tax burden. Flexibility and control. You can specify how you want the charity to use the bequest, whether for general support or a particular program. A lasting legacy. It allows you to leave a lasting impact on a cause you care about, reflecting your values and interests. Making a charitable bequest involves several key steps. 1. Identify the charity. Choose a cause that aligns with your values and verify its legitimacy and effectiveness. 2. Decide on the type of bequest. Based on your estate and wishes, select the form of bequest that suits you best. 3. Consult with professionals. Speak with an estate planner or attorney to ensure your bequest is properly documented in your will or trust. Including clear instructions and working with the charity can ensure your gift makes the biggest impact possible. Charitable bequests are a powerful way to support causes you care about while providing benefits to both you and the recipients. By planning your estate with generosity in mind, you can leave a legacy that reflects your values and makes a difference in the world. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of charitable bequests for you. Thank you for watching, and remember, planning today can create a brighter tomorrow for many.